Possibly the most boring sounding engine is also the most common around the world, sadly. It is a straight 4 with a flat plane crankshaft, which creates a perfectly even sound. This can be altered by a different design of the block, crankshaft, exhaust, or combination of some. Those also change sound quite drastically, and from a distance you may not guess that the engine has only 4 cylinders to fire. Ariel Square 4. The square engine layout should be no surprise for you, as we mentioned Suzuki's RGV 500 a couple of times. This time, however, the Ariel Square 4 is a 4-stroke with an overhead valve system and air cooling. There is a single head and a single SU carburetor with up to 41 horsepower. The Ariel was later indirectly succeeded by the Healey 1000/4 featuring the very same design. Volkswagen air-cooled Boxer. The Boxer itself has a different sound than an inline engine, which is set by its different firing order. First it fires one bang and then the other one, causing a deeper soundtrack. Except the Beetle and similar Volkswagens, the air-cooled unit was also used in the Porsche 912. The Porsche 718, 356 and Alfa Romeo had their Boxers too. The new Porsche 718 Cayman and Boxer doesn't sound too bad at all, hearing them myself on a track as well. Honda VFR 1200F. This motorcycle is an obscure one only because of its engine. It has a V4, quite a standard stuff, but the angle is 76 degrees and crankpin offset is set at 28 degrees. Honda says it provides perfect primary balance with no balancing shaft required. The thing is that in a result, the engine doesn't sound like a 4-cylinder, neither theoretically as a V8, but more like a 2-cylinder like BMW's Boxer. And that's obscure. Aprilia RSV4. Aprilia chose a very unique angle between the banks of the RSV4's engine. On top of that, the V8 has a firing order very same to a crossplane 4-cylinder unit. The Aprilia therefore fires after 180 and then after 65 degrees and it repeats. The Yamaha YZF R1 and M1 share that order, but as their crankshaft has 90 degrees offsets, it fires after 180 and then 90 degrees. A question of why could be answered by traction reasons. That gap provides enough time for tire to regrip. Subaru Impreza WRX STI. Subaru engines are different, yes, but the true difference why they sound so distinctive is hidden in the exhaust header design. Their turbocharged versions had an unequal length header, which creates uneven pulses in the exhaust, thus that sound. In theory, any flat plane 4-cylinder can sound like this. Honda NR500. The NR series is Honda's last resistance against two-stroke in the MotoGP. The V-shaped four-cylinder with oval cylinders was meant to mimic a V8 with 8 valves per cylinder. Unfortunately for Honda, the design wasn't properly engineered and wasn't successful at all, although they did produce a road league version called the NR750. I wouldn't be against more special engine designs in the automotive business. There are some cars with unique setup, but as you can see, a bike engine affects riding a lot more than a car engine driving. This is why we see so many different layouts on motorcycles. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumb up and subscribe for more such videos. I wish you a great day and cheers!
Up in paradise, I suppose. If you would tell me I'm the only one that you love, life could be a dream, sweetheart.